Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your recruiter messages using Gmail filters, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Gmail account. Locate the search bar at the top of the page. Click on the small arrow on the right side of the search bar. This opens the advanced search menu. In the From field, enter the email domains commonly used by recruiters. For example, you might include domains like @linkedin.com or @indeed.com. You can also add multiple domains separated by commas. Next, look for the Has the Words field. Here, you can add keywords related to job opportunities. Words like job offer, interview, or application can be useful. Once you've filled in the relevant fields, click on Create Filter at the bottom right. A new window will appear displaying filter options. Check the box next to Apply the label. You can create a new label such as Recruiter Messages. Select Create New Label and name it as desired. You may also choose to check Mark as Important to prioritize these messages. After adjusting the settings, click on Create Filter. Your filter is now active and will sort incoming messages accordingly. To view these messages, look for the label you created in the left sidebar. Click on the label to easily access all messages from recruiters. You can adjust the filter at any time by going to Settings and then Filters and Blocked Addresses. To modify or delete any filters, find the specific filter and make your changes. Regularly check this folder to stay updated on potential opportunities. By following these steps, you can streamline your job search process through organized recruiter communications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.